So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a corporate savings account here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go to the main page here and just scroll down. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and press on Add an Account. Once you're here, it says Add an Account. Go ahead and press on Open a New Account. Then once you're here, I want you to scroll down towards the bottom to where it says Corporate Savings, a high interest account for business savings. Press on that. Now once you're here, it'll actually show you a corporate savings, a high interest corporate savings account for business owners, earn up to 1.75% interest on your business cash deposits, tons of flexibility, easy access to your money, etc. So if all looks good and you qualify for the corporate account, go to the bottom, press on open an account and proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open a corporate savings account on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.